and we're here on Buchanan Street, Wednesday of Piping Live. You've been here since sort of towards the end of last week. You played in Perth,
yes.
And now you're playing here on Buchanan Street as part of Piping Live.
Yes.
What's it like to finally be here? I imagine there's a lot of preparation for going into this trip.
Yes, we've been putting a lot of practice in, and the boys are very excited to come to Scotland. No one's been here before, and it's a big thing for us to come a long way and play in the World Championships. But we're all excited that we're here. What do you guys reckon?
Yeah, definitely. I know there's the 48 of us over here. We're all pretty excited. Weather's out, so good day.
Some good weather. We're lucky.
Yeah, no, it's very exciting. I think we're very privileged to be able to perform on the world stage, this Saturday. So I'm very keen. Yeah, it's been great.
Yeah. And what have you been enjoying about Scotland so far? Yeah, this is both of your guys' first time over here.
Yeah, definitely. So the weather's been good, better than expected. Got a cheeky amount of golf in as well, which is
nice.
Pretty unreal. The sun being out late and out early as well, I'd say it's pretty nice.
Yeah, I think just the whole spirit around pipes and drums here has been pretty special. Like, I think not last night, the night before, we were at the Edinburgh Tattoo, and that was pretty special. So yeah, just the whole experience has been very, very, very great for it all. Yeah.
And you just mentioned there's 48 of you over here. How long's that been in the planning? Who's behind all this?
I have to admit that I'm behind it all. Yeah, it takes a long time to plan. The last time we were here was 2019, so we did want to come again, but COVID got in the way, we do like to come reasonably regularly because it's such a good experience for the boys.
Yeah, and obviously part of a school. Tell us a bit about the teaching and the ethos of the school and how the pipe band is put together, where everybody comes from. Right,
well the school has Scottish heritage set up by Scottish immigrants. That's why we have a pipe band. There's a few schools like that in Australia, not many, but a few. So yeah, the boys get individual lessons on their instrument. They usually start in about year 7, which is the first year of high school. So we start quite late. Only got a few years to kind of make a band, but they get a lesson each week, and we have one band practice each week and try and become the best we can.
Yeah. And what made you guys want to join the band? Why do you play in the band? Why do you love it? What made you want to come to Scotland?
So I started the pipes in year 7, my first year of school in 2019. I had an older cousin who played the pipes, and it was something I was, aware of, and it was pretty cool, I thought, and then got into it, and haven't looked back. Loved it since.
So I'm the same as you. Started in year 7. Started playing drums in year 7. So my older brother, he graduated in 2021. He was a good drummer, and he was a big reason why I joined. And I've also got a bit of family heritage from Scotland, so that was another reason as well.
Yeah. And pipe band rocks.
Yeah, of course. And anything else you're looking forward to the rest of the festival? You mentioned you've already been to the Tattoo. What else are you looking forward to this week?
Well, today's performance, yesterday we played at Stirling Castle, which was great fun. And then the next thing is the Worlds, so we're going to practice hard.
Yeah, and you're going to play a few sets for us down here on Buchanan Street just now, and the weather's come out for you. Did you bring this with you?
We did indeed. That was the plan.
Thanks a lot. Hopefully it stays till Saturday.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of the week. Cheers, guys.